These look similar. Await, wait. But one small mistake sounds wrong. I'm waiting for the results. Correct. I'm awaiting the results. Also correct. But I'm awaiting for the results. No. That's the difference. Wait usually needs for. Wait for a bus. Wait for an answer. Wait for the right moment. But await, no for. You await a reply. You await the results. You await a decision. And there's one more difference. Wait is everyday English. Await is more formal, more written, less conversational. So yes, they're close, but they don't work the same way. Wait for, await something. Use the wrong pattern, and people notice.